Imagine a world where you no longer need to remember dozens of passwords or rely on big tech companies to manage your personal data. Instead, you fully control your identity, your name, credentials, and online presence through a secure digital wallet. This is the idea behind decentralized identity, and many believe it could become one of the biggest trends in the next crypto bull run. Decentralized identity, often called DID, is a system where individuals own and control their digital identity without depending on centralized authorities, like social media platforms, banks, or governments. Instead of your data being stored on company servers, it is secured using blockchain technology and cryptography. Today, most of our digital identities are controlled by large organizations. When you log into a website using Google, Facebook, or Apple, you are trusting these companies with your personal information. They store your data, track your activity, and sometimes even monetize your information without you fully realizing it. Decentralized identity changes this model by giving control back to the user. With DID, your identity is stored in a digital wallet, and you decide what information to share and with whom. For example, instead of sharing your full ID to prove your age, you could simply share a proof that confirms you are over 18 without revealing any extra details. One of the biggest advantages of decentralized identity is privacy. Users no longer need to expose unnecessary personal data to access services. This reduces the risk of data breaches and identity theft, which are common problems in today's digital world. Another benefit is security. Because decentralized identities are built on blockchain and cryptographic systems, they are much harder to hack compared to traditional centralized databases. There is no single point of failure, which makes the system more resilient. Decentralized identity also improves user convenience. Instead of managing multiple accounts and passwords, users can access different platforms using a single identity system. This creates a smoother and more efficient online experience. So why is this becoming a major narrative for the 2026 bull run? In every crypto cycle, certain themes gain massive attention, like DeFi in 2020 or NFTs in 2021. Many experts believe that identity and privacy will be the next big focus as more people become aware of how their data is used. As Web3 applications grow, decentralized identity will become essential. From finance and gaming to healthcare and education, many industries need secure and user-controlled identity systems. Without proper identity solutions, mass adoption of Web3 could be difficult. However, decentralized identity also faces challenges. Adoption is still in its early stages, and many people are not familiar with how it works. There are also regulatory questions, as governments may want to maintain control over identity systems. Another challenge is usability. For decentralized identity to succeed, it must be easy for everyday users to understand and use. Complex interfaces and technical barriers could slow down adoption. Despite these challenges, the potential of decentralized identity is huge. It has the power to reshape how we interact online, protect our personal data, and give individuals more control over their digital lives. As we move closer to the next crypto bull run, decentralized identity could become one of the most important narratives driving innovation and investment. The real question is not whether decentralized identity will grow, but how quickly it will become part of our everyday digital experience.